Hi, I'm Pamela with SewingQueen.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do an original jean hem. An original jean hem will keep the fray or discoloration or original thread that your jean came from the factory with. So let's jump in today and learn how to do an original hem. Okay, now we're going to do an original jean hem. Oftentimes there's a little bit of fray or discoloration or even a specialty color of thread on the bottom that you would want to keep. So in order to do this, what we would do is this. Here's where we want the hem to be finished at, so I'm going to move our pin down to the bottom there. Then I'm going to mark up 1 inch from that pin right to there, and we're going to sew this upward right on this lip here. So I'm going to bring the bottom of the pant up to 1 inch above where I want it to be. I'll pull this pin out, fold this up, and all the way around we're going to want to sew it up 1.5 inch. So I'm going to change my foot to a cording foot. That way the needle will sew right to the edge of the foot, which is we're going to sew right to the edge of this flap. Put my regular foot over here, and we've pre-measured. It is up 1.5 inch. Let's just double check that. Go up just a smidge more. And sewing to the side here. Let's go ahead and go. As close to the fold up as we can. When I come to the seam here, I always make sure that the seam is straight up and down this way. Coming on now around to where we started. And we'll trim our threads. So now we've sewn all the way around here. We're going to lift this to the inside of the pant, and we're going to stitch on the top here. Normally I would serge this off if there's a whole bunch of a flap inside there. In this case, will be okay. I'm going to change my foot back to my regular foot. And using the same color of thread as the jean as close as we can, we're going to top stitch right above that folded edge, and it will blend into the pant. Sewing all the way around so as to keep that flap on the inside not folding downward, but staying upward. We'll trim our threads. And now what you have is an original hem. You still have the edging the way it came originally.